Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight shines brightly on the fit for Garmin 2226 and Camo Ocean Silicone Quick Release Wristband Strap. This particular accessory, specifically the navy blue 26 variant, is designed to be a perfect fit for a wide array of Garmin devices, including the Fenix 5, 5X Plus, 6, 6X Pro, 7, 7X, as well as the Instinct 1 and 2 series. Upon first inspection, the quality of the silicone material is immediately apparent. It possesses a premium feel, striking an excellent balance between robustness and flexibility. This ensures that while the strap is durable enough to withstand the rigors of daily wear and intense activities, it remains remarkably comfortable against the skin. The texture is smooth, preventing any irritation or chafing, which is a crucial factor for a watch band intended for active users. A standout feature of this strap is its quick-release mechanism. This design element allows for effortless swapping of bands without the need for any specialized tools. Users can transition from one style to another in mere seconds, making it incredibly convenient for those who like to customize their watch's look to match different outfits or occasions. The pins engage securely, providing peace of mind that the watch will remain firmly attached to the wrist, even during vigorous movement. The Camo Ocean design, while subtle in the navy blue colorway, adds a distinctive touch of style. It's not an overly aggressive camouflage pattern, but rather a sophisticated texture that elevates the aesthetic beyond a plain solid color. This makes the strap versatile enough for both casual everyday wear and more adventurous outdoor pursuits. The navy blue itself is a rich, deep hue that complements the various finishes of Garmin watches beautifully, offering a classic yet modern appeal. When worn, the strap conforms exceptionally well to the wrist's contours. Its ergonomic design ensures a snug fit without feeling restrictive. This is particularly important for accurate heart rate monitoring and other sensor readings that rely on consistent skin contact. The buckle and keepers are also well constructed, holding the excess strap securely in place and preventing it from flapping around. For owners of the compatible Garmin Fenix and Instinct models, this quick-release silicone strap presents itself as an excellent upgrade or a reliable replacement for an aging original band. Its combination of durable materials, user-friendly design, and stylish appearance makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to enhance their Garmin watch experience. The value it offers in terms of comfort, convenience, and aesthetics is truly impressive, making it a highly recommended accessory for the active individual.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.